Hello, testing. Hello. Good morning, class 8. Actually, we are working on problems on multiplying by using identities. Yesterday, I said that identities basically are nothing but formulae, okay? And I said that many a times students have got a very negative attitude towards the formulae. They don't bother to memorize the formulae or for that matter, keep on using the formulae in the problem. But then I said that formulae are there to make the problem okay easy, as well as because it makes the calculations very fast, okay. And yesterday I showed how by using the formula the problem becomes easy, okay. So basically we are now learning to use the formulae into the problem, okay. And today we are going to use another formula. Yesterday we learned that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we are using another formula, okay. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. What does this mean? This means that if you compare this formula with yesterday's formula, it is almost same. So okay, whenever you square, always remember that the like the term always is going to be positive only, okay. So therefore a plus b whole square, since yesterday both terms were positive, so a square it definitely is going to be positive. Squared term always is going to be positive, but then here also we had got positive, so today we are going to write it as negative, okay. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us start to use this in the formula that is there. So please copy your question that comes in your screen. We are working on exercise 6D, okay. So let us work out a problem from the book, exercise 6D, okay. So please copy the question. You can pause the video in between as you copy the question, okay. So question number 6, exercise 6D, question number 2 says that we need to find basically the product, okay, of 2x minus 3y and 2x minus 3y, okay. So basically 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3y, so a minus b, it is of the form a minus b. Here also a minus b, so a minus b into a minus b is nothing but a minus b whole square. And we have got a formula. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? The formula for a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. The first thing that we do is write the structure of the formula. After that we put the value of a. What is the value of a here? 2x. So wherever we have got a here, we need to put the value of a as 2x. Now b, so 2ab, what is our b here? 3y, so we put the value of b as 3y, okay. So here also b square is 3y square, okay. Now it is also a question of opening the bracket, so 2x square is going to give us 4x square, okay. Then minus, now we need to multiply these terms here. 2 to the 4, 4 3s is going to make it 12, so we write it as 12xy plus b square, so 3y squared is going to give us 9y square, okay. So this completes our problem that is there. So since this is the last of the problem that is there, so we write it as answer. Now you are now getting how we can arrive at easy answers, okay. Yesterday you were taking time, so now today you must be finding that multiplication by using the formula actually is an easy stuff that is there. Now let us work out a problem with fraction, okay. So this is where the real problem starts. So let us work out a problem with fraction. Let us take up question number 6, okay. So in question number 6 we have basically half y square, okay, minus 1 by 3y. So here also this multiplies half y square minus 1 by 3y. What does this mean? This means that it is of the form a minus b into a minus b, and we have got a formula for a minus b into a minus b. The formula for a minus b into a minus b is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first thing that you do is write the structure of the formula. So bracket square stands for a square minus 2 ab bracket ab plus b square, okay. Now let us put the value of okay, a here is basically, you have got no need to write 1 here, but then if you want to write here, no sir, I want to write 1, that is okay. So we write here 1. Then here we have got y square also, so we write 1 y square, okay. So 1 y square, so this is my a. So a is 1y square in the numerator. In the denominator we have got what here? 2. So a is basically this 1y square by 2. So here also we write 1y square by 2. Okay, 1y square by 2. This is my a. Now what is my b here? B here is basically 1y by 3. Okay, no need to write 1, but then for the moment let us start writing. So 1y by 3. Okay, now here also b square, b is nothing but 1y by 3, so we put it like this. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what should be there in the next line now? In the next line now, what is it that we need to do? Open the bracket. So 1 square is going to give us 1 only, so we write 1. Y squared is going to give us y to the power 4. Okay, so y to the power 4 by 2 square. Don't forget to square all the terms inside the bracket. So 2 square is going to give us 4. Okay, now minus here. What is it that we do? We cancel 2 and 2 because these are multiplication of fractions. So common factors in the numerator and denominator has to be cancelled. So we cancel 2 and 2. So 1 ones we are getting in the numerator 1 only. So y square into y is, this is going to give us y cube. Okay, so y into y square is going to give us y cube because 2y and one more y. Okay, when we multiply we need to add the powers, so basically y to the power 3. So here in the denominator, after cancelling 2 and 2, what is remaining here? 3. Okay, now let us open the last bracket that is there. 1 square is going to give us 1, y square is going to give us y square only. Okay, so we write 1y, y squared is going to give us y square, and 3 square is going to give us 9, and this completes our problem. So we write this as the answer that is there. Okay, so this becomes our answer. So let us write this as our answer here. Okay, so this completes the problem. Okay, so today's type was an easy type, that is there, just the extension of what we did yesterday. Yesterday we used the formula a plus b whole square. Today we are using the formula a minus b whole square in the expansion. Okay, and we have worked out both types of questions. One was without the fraction, the other was with the fraction. The only thing that is there is in the fraction it is going to be a little bit complicated, and don't forget to cancel the common factors in the numerator and denominator. And one more thing that is there is when you are squaring, you need to square each and every term that is there inside the bracket. Many times I've seen that students only square the term in the numerator, forget about the denominator. That you are not going to do. Okay, and this becomes your assignment. So exercise 6D, question number 2, all you are going to do, and then from question number 3, actually we did up to question number 5 because that was pertaining to the formula a plus b whole square. So today you are going to complete the problem with a minus b whole square. Okay, so you have got 6, 7, 8 and 9, and this completes our lesson for today. Okay, keep at home, remain safe, and then keep learning.